Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to rebuild this wooden fence that you see right here. Please stay tuned and continue watching until the end because I'm going to show you how to reconstruct this fence gate so that way you can obtain the same results and everything will work properly. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn how to do all kinds of DIY handyman projects, home renovations, then you're in the best place here on YouTube since that's all we do here. Consider subscribing to our channel and activate the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any future videos that we're going to be uploading. In order to rebuild this wooden fence gate, the first thing that we need to do is deconstruct the existing one. And by doing this, all we're going to be using is a crowbar and also like a small sledgehammer. Right now we move the top portion to uncover what they call the skeleton of the door. And that is made out of 2x4s in a Z shaped. So what we're going to do here is we measured the Z-shaped support and we're going to be cutting the new ones to the exact same measurement like you see right there. So we're going to be placing those directly above the existing one. So we're just going to try to make the same thing that was previously there. And so for this, we're just going to make some marks right there, use a square, make a line on the other side as well. Just make a mark, use our square, mark the line, and we're just gonna use our circular saw, cut off that angle, and from there you can put it into place. Now in order to connect both of those three pieces together, we're using some wood screws, and we have a nice drill right there. So we're basically just gonna drill a couple of screws through the couple pieces of the 2x4s, so those will attach to each other, and that will make the skeleton structure to support the panels. And from there we have those fence panels that we got at our local lumber supply store. We're going to be putting those 4 on one side and 4 on the other side. So we're going to start with this one right here. Now the 4 that are going to go on this side, they need to go in between where the other 4 of the other side will go. So like you see right there on the bottom, you know, you have the old 4 sections. We're going to put these new ones like in between those ones so it covers a whole area and it just creates some nice privacy. And once you put that, you know, we're just positioning them at the bottom, make sure they're like nice and straight with each other. And then on this upper part, we're going to cut it later. So once you have the bottom section kind of straight with each other, you can drill it into the 2x4. And we're just using the old sections that we removed to mark the line. And then we're just using the circular saw to cut it in a circular angle. So from there, we're going to be moving one by one, aligning them at the bottom, and from there, once the position is nice and straight, we're going to drill those screws through the panels and into the 2x4s. And actually on this side we're going to be putting 5 sections of fence panel, and then on the other side we're only going to be using 4, which will go in between basically. So this is the last section that we're installing. Same thing, you know, just drilling a couple of screws there on either end. And from there, we're going to make a mark right there as close as we can. And you can also use the old fence boards as a reference. Like you see right here, that one's kind of rotted at the top. It's not a good one. This one right there, it's pretty close, as well as this other one right here. So we're just going to try to use them as best as we can and get it as close as possible. And from there, we're going to be able to cut the boards and just get the circular top as close as possible to what was there on the existing one. So once you have that, that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna go ahead and place the 4 panels on the other side, and basically the same process, you know, just aligning them first at the bottom, and once you have it where you need it, then you can put them there. And like you see with these 4 on top, it's starting to seal up the fence gate, so it's gonna look really nice once it's installed, and it's gonna give you privacy. You're gonna be able to have a gate, you know, so it just closes off the side of your house. And there's a lot of reasons why, you know, you want to have a fence gate there. But so right here we're getting close to installing some of the final panels. The cross 2x4 section right there, we're able to easily also drill into that, so we can just get it nice and secure, all of the boards. And by doing it this way, you're not going to have any like movement, or they're not going to be failing or whatnot. So from there, you know, we're going to follow the line from the bottom section, you know, just getting it there. So that's what he's doing there, just marking it, and then we're just going to cut it with the circular saw in as much as we can, and just following the design. So once you cut everything there, that's pretty much it of how you rebuild the wooden fence gate. Now I'm gonna be helping with lifting up and putting the gate in a good position, so we can screw it into the hinges. And that's what we're doing right here. We're just gonna be putting them in there. More than likely, since this is a new replacement, you're gonna have to kind of cut some of the lower panels so the gate will open. Like in this case, I opened it a little bit, and it doesn't, it gets stuck at the bottom, you know, it hits the concrete. Like right there, it only reaches that point. So we're just gonna remove some of those panels and just cut on the bottom, you know, a little bit until it opens up all the way. And then after that, we're just gonna install the secure, you know, where it locks. And that's pretty much it. So there it is, a brand new door that we just replaced. You can unlock it through the inside right there. We installed that hardware piece that attaches, you know, to the little secure pole. And that's how everything turned out. We hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bell, so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. Send us a comment, like the video. May God bless you, and we'll see you on the next project.